you doing today? And welcome to another sponsored post at bionicbasil.com. Today I'm showing you the Pulsam water fountain from meowstore.com, and I can honestly say it is amazing. I don't know about you, but I'm not too fond of drinking water from a bowl. Drinking from a fountain is so much better, and it really helps keep my hydration levels up, which we all know is super important for one's health and well-being. Here, let me demonstrate how awesome it is. Just keep watching. See how easy that was? Nearly 4 minutes worth of pure hydration, and if that had been at a normal water bowl, it would have been 2 slurps and I'd be done. So it just goes to show that drinking from a fountain really ups your daily intake of water. Thank you Meow Store for such a fab product, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.